my head all then.
Big moves, I'm that dude. Bet I see you from the top, yeah, real soon. Looking down on the haters that I've been through. Told them I'll see you.
Alright guys, we're back with another video. Today we'll be doing the PRV Neodymium tweeters. Y'all can see the 4-ohm models. And they come with 2 in the pack. It's a pair. 120 watts. I think they run for like $119 or $99, something like that. I don't know, but you could, the prices change. They always have sales, so make sure you take advantage. They are rebuildable. Most of the PRV products will be rebuildable. That means you can recone the speakers and change out diaphragms or whatever it may call for. But these have a 1-inch voice coil. Power handling is 60 watts. Continuous program RMS is 120. Max peak is 240. 106 dB sensitivity and 4-ohm impedance, as y'all can see. Like I said, it comes with the pair. So, of course, y'all see the pair right behind us there. Let's go ahead and set that down. So, of course, it comes with your bass blocker right there. It's like a metal titanium type, feels like not a plastic deal. They have a bunch of other options if you don't want to get these, but these are a great upgrade as well. So we're gonna go ahead and sit that there. And of course, y'all know, don't do it as I do it. Do it as they say on the thing. I'm testing this on a 3500 watt, and you all see watts that it calls for. So we're gonna play this at a low volume. We're not gonna push it to the limit. Make sure you use the bass blockers. I just got it plugged up right there on that one, so y'all can see how this goes. But all right, let's go. All right, guys, it's not with the volume all the way up or anything like that. I'm trying to keep the volume down on these because like I said, I'm doing 3500 watts to a single 120 watt speaker. It's the RMS, y'all can see right there, is 120 continuous program power. I'm sure you can do a little more, I don't know, but I'm trying to play it safe because there's just one. I'm running 3500 watt amp on. And their YouTube music don't have a good quality or nothing like that, so I don't want to go too far with that. So, you know, you play a real nice song or something like that on it, I'm sure it'll be just fine. Of course, you can pick up your PRV amp to match with this set. I'll go with SQ3500s, and you know, you can tune them to how you need them. Of course, you'll need a DSP with that to program because it's not you can't tune it actually on the amp. Of course, if you get the 4-channel amps, they have some other amps that you can tune on the amp if you don't want to get the SQ model. So, or you can just pick up this Timpano Bluetooth DSP as well. Or you can control the DSP with your phone. Of course, I showed y'all that. Let me show y'all that again. Let me pick up the app. Let's see. All right. See if y'all can see this. All right. Hold on. There we go. As y'all can see right there, you can control everything on there. course, it has 4 channels, 4 outputs on it, as you can see. We actually did a video on the unboxing or whatnot. Yeah, we did a video on the unboxing or whatnot. So if you want to go check that out, be sure to look down there on the playlist on this channel, and you'll be able to see this unboxing or whatnot. We will install this and show y'all how it works or whatnot. But like I say, I'm gonna move it out the way. Of course, you can get the PRV 2.4 to 2.8. I roll with the 2.8, so I have 2 of those as well, and I'll be installing this one as well. So that'll be something new, another video. Be sure to like, subscribe. Be sure to pick you up a set of these right here. Of course, you might want to pair them up with. You really don't have to have it with nothing like this. It's like a full range, so it'll kind of eliminate you really having to get that. If you want to keep it all on the budget and just, you know, keep it simple, I do have a video with these on the channel. You can match that with these, the slim model right here. Let me turn it around so y'all can see, just in case y'all want to check it out. Of course, I have links to everything down below, or you can go to prvaudio.com. Right there, that's your Neo mid-range. I run, let me see, I run 8 of these here with the D280 Ti screw on, the D280 TIS. That's the screw on model. You can't get them in both on. Of course, this be a mid bass. You can pair it up with that. Really, a good combination, I think, would be the mid bass with the mid range and the tweeters. I think, I'm not the smartest guy, but I just think so. This is exactly what I got right here. These 2 right here with a horn, and I'll probably be adding some of these tweeters right here. I like how they sound. That's the only thing I'm missing. Just kind of fill that area out right there. So we'll get all that together. So be sure to like, subscribe. You like everything you see in the video, give me a thumbs up, share the video. Of course, y'all seen the new horn right here that fits indoors or wherever you want to put it. That's another video. Y'all be sure to see that down in the comments. See y'all back on the next video. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, share the video. I'll see y'all back on the next one.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.